A moderate earthquake measuring 4.2 on local magnitude scale struck a neighboring Mozambique early Wednesday morning, sending tremors across parts of Nyanga, Magoni, and Macheke, and sparking concern among residents about their safety. Sabina mashkobdanyo watching in earthquake in Nyanga. Don't subscribe or like on my bell icon. In a statement, the Meteorological Service Department (MSD) confirmed the quake, noting that its epicenter was located in Mozambique, but its seismic waves were felt in several districts of Manicaland province. In quotes, an earthquake of local magnitude 4.2 ml occurred in Nyanga on December 17, 2025 at 3:31 a.m. local time. The earthquake was felt in Nyanga and surrounding areas. The epicenter was determined to be in Mozambique at latitude minus 17.838 and longitude 33.171. We became aware of the event following a call from the Provincial Chief Meteorological Officer, Mr. Maringo Nyanga District Department Coordinator, TTC. Mr. Edmund Komo confirmed feeling the earthquake. The MSD statement read, the department explained that earthquakes along Zimbabwe's eastern border are primarily caused by natural tectonic activity linked to the southern tip of the East African Rift System (EARS). Many tremors experienced in Nyanga originate across the border in Mozambique, where seismic activity is more intense. Although classified as a light earthquake, the tremors caused noticeable ground shaking. Though my developments are Popam Soropian earthquake, which hit the eastern part of Zimbabwe. Pina comment section medu nzawafungura imo tukudi pamusoro pa chitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.